incredibly sweet, but also because it's full of cholesterol, which is why you can't serve him that huge burger. He might not survive it.
Well, you know what? Big boy paid for it, so order up.
Good God, look at that thing.
Let me at it.
You're not giving him that burger.
Hey.
Come on, let that belly buster through.
Please, take the burger back to the kitchen, ma'am.
It is so weird that you think you work here. Damn it, I don't remember hiring a fat Burt Reynolds.
Look, this burger is not going anywhere.
This is just fantastic. I'm gonna get to throw fat Burt Reynolds out of my restaurant.
Oh, yeah? Well, I can get tough, too, and I'm staying.
Guys, come on, don't fight over me. Wait, is that what's happening?
Bad news for you, Kevin. I've just been through a bunch of kick-ass training, so if you think you can just... Oh, no!
Oh, yeah? Well, I hope you got trained to get your ass kicked.
Actually, I did. Oh, God! Here comes the glass!
Thanks for coming.
Are you okay, Bobby?
Oh, real glass hurts so bad. Am I bleeding?
Not like too much.
Man, the concrete wasn't padded. It was so hard when I landed on it.
Before you pass out, that's the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me.
I have so much glass in myself.
I'll get you out of here, buddy.
Let's go to the hospital, Teddy.
No, Bob. Let's go home.
No, we're gonna go to a hospital.
Home it is, Bob. Here we go. Almost home.
I'll just see if someone else can take me.
Hey, even though I'm not your best friend, I really appreciate what you did.
Look, I'm sorry I said you're not my best friend, because you are.
I am?
Yeah, I mean, it depends on how you define it. You technically are my best friend, but I mean, I might meet...
Stop right there, Bobby.
But I mean, I don't know who... Eventually,
enough. Can I carry you across the threshold?
All right. Ow.
Watch your head, sorry.
Oh, my little beat-up Bobby.
Where's that belt from? Where's all the food?
Shush.
Is the ice helping? Pretty refreshing, right?
Yes, Tina.
How about this? Is this helping?
Thanks, Teddy. Yes, it's good.
How about some smelling salts?
Oh, God. Come on.
Oh, you come on. That part's a winner and you know it.
All right, let me smell it again. Yeah, you're right.
Crashes on the couch when he loses his job. Guy pulls a knife and you jump in front. Takes the blade right in the gut. Ow! Then holds your hand till the medic comes. Made him soup when he breaks his jaw. You help him pee when he has nothing. He's your best friend.
Crashes on your couch when he loses his job. Helps you pee when you got that thing. He's your best friend. Your best friend.
Why are they making that noise?
How if I know? They've been screeching that way for the last 8 hours. Where are they from? They came from a horrible crappy farm, okay? Just sign the form. I'm gonna get out of here. Those birds give me creeps.
What, how bad can it be? They're just a bunch of cute little birdies. They're probably hungry.
Yeah, here you go, buddy. You want some present?
On you beautiful hand!
Whoa, look out, everyone. Dangerous curves ahead.
Turkey trot, looking hot. Do you like these pants I got? Do you? Bob, do you?
Yes, I like them. They're fine. I love them.
Wait, let me put my belt on.
You sure you got enough water, Mom?
Hey, you gotta stay hydrated. Plus, look how little they are. So tiny. Aww. Oh, can't wait to get out there. 500 live turkeys running with us. It's gonna be like the running of the bulls, but cute and safe.
And we'll be on the half-price rides having full-price fun.
Yeah, they're usually mad at us for going to the festival.
Mad? No, I'm thrilled.
Because you were kind of mad the other day.
What? No, I wasn't. Oh, right. Because that's what Thanksgiving is for. Running around with a bunch of birds and going on rides. Well, fine, go. But you know what? I am not making dinner.
You're singing this pretty well.
No, you're crying. I just calmly said that if you all go to Fisher's Dumb Festival instead of spending the day here, I will not be making dinner. Day off for old Bob. No big deal.
No big deal.
The turkey baster's in the drawer. Probably pretty happy not to work, and so am I.
All right, come on. Don't want to be late for the Turkey-tacular Turkey Town Festival with Turkey Trot.
Fine. You all go have a turktacular time.
So we'll bring home some Chinese food?
Yeah, or whatever you want for regular dinner.
Okay, don't start a brothel while we're gone. Just kidding, you can.
And no making a fort out of the couch cushion.
Thursday.